Here we see how to use prompt parsing. It's like a very simple chatbot. So let's run this program. So when I run the program prompt parsing, when I don't use the internal argument, whatever it is, their username, right? I am not telling it, I am just passing, so it gave error. So next I will do something like this, and I will use some name Madhu. Then it is asking, it is saying as per the given program, hi. So this is formatted name, internal it is passed as username, and the script. So script is generally coming as a from the argument vector, that is internal it is unpacking this two variables out of this. Okay. So hi Madhu, I am prompt passing dot py script. I would like to ask you a few questions. Do you like Madhu? Do you like me, Madhu? So then it will is asking that, do you like me? You can say whatever, right? So no or yes. So then where do you live, Madhu? I live in Abits or something like that, if you say. So what kind of computer do you have? So it is asking like as many as you can build small chatbot like this. Okay, and I say HP. Alright, you said no about liking me. You live in Abits. Not sure where that is. This all again I have written here. The same program is reflected here.